Suva has a diverse economy, with a mix of government, commercial, and industrial sectors. The city is home to many government offices, as well as businesses involved in tourism, manufacturing, and agriculture. The port of Suva is also an important hub for shipping and trade in the South Pacific. Suva is the capital city of Fiji and is located on the southeast coast of the island of Viti Levu. The city has a rich history dating back to the early 19th century when it was a small village. The city's development began when it was chosen as the capital of Fiji in 1882. Suva's unique blend of Fijian and colonial architecture makes it a popular tourist destination. Tourism is an important part of Suva's economy, with many visitors attracted to the city's cultural and historical sites. One of the most popular attractions is the Fiji Museum, which displays the country's history and culture. The Suva Municipal Market is also a popular destination, offering fresh produce and local crafts. The architecture of Suva reflects the city's diverse history. Buildings range from traditional Fijian bure huts to Victorian-era colonial buildings. One of the most notable examples of colonial architecture is the government buildings, which houses the offices of the Prime Minister and other government officials. Suva has a tropical rainforest climate, with temperatures ranging from 23 degrees Celsius or 73 degrees Fahrenheit to 30 degrees Celsius or 86 degrees Fahrenheit throughout the year. The wet season runs from November to April, with the dry season from May to October. The demographics of Suva are diverse, with a mix of indigenous Fijians, Indo-Fijians, and other ethnic groups. The city is home to several universities and colleges, including the University of the South Pacific and the Fiji National University. Fijian cuisine is a blend of indigenous Fijian, Indian, and Chinese influences. Some popular dishes in Suva include kokoda, a dish of raw fish marinated in lime juice and coconut cream, and palasami, a dish of taro leaves and coconut cream.